Hey everyone, Jillian Michaels here. We're talking about posture, how you hold your body. Good posture isn't just about looking confident. It's crucial for your health. Good posture means your bones and muscles are aligned correctly. This reduces strain, prevents pain, and helps you move efficiently. Plus, standing tall can boost your mood and energy levels. Who doesn't want that? Now let's talk about bad posture. You know, that hunched over position we often find ourselves in. Slouching might seem comfy at first, but it's a recipe for problems. It can lead to neck pain, back pain, headaches, and even breathing difficulties. Not fun. Poor posture can also affect your digestion and make you look and feel less confident. Time to straighten up. The good news is you can improve your posture with some simple exercises. No gym required. We'll go through each exercise step by step. Remember to listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain. Ready to stand taller and feel better? Let's get started. Shoulder rolls are fantastic for releasing tension in your shoulders and upper back, a common problem for desk jockeys. Stand or sit tall with your feet hip-width apart. Roll your shoulders back and down in a circular motion. Do this slowly and smoothly for 10 repetitions. Feel the tension melt away as you improve your upper body posture. Section 6. Neck tilts soothe away neck tension. In today's fast-paced world, where we are constantly glued to our screens, it's easy to forget about the strain we put on our necks. This section will guide you through simple yet effective exercises to alleviate that tension. In our digital age, neck is a real problem. Whether you're working on a computer, scrolling through your smartphone, or binge-watching your favorite series, the constant forward head posture can lead to discomfort and pain. This condition, often referred to as neck, is becoming increasingly common. Combat it with this easy exercise. Neck tilts are a simple yet powerful way to counteract the effects of prolonged screen time. They help in stretching and strengthening the neck muscles, providing relief from the stiffness and pain associated with neck. Sit tall and look straight ahead. Ensure that your back is straight and your shoulders are relaxed. Good posture is the foundation of this exercise, so take a moment to align your body correctly. Gently tilt your head back, bringing your chin towards the ceiling. Feel the stretch along the front of your neck. It's important to move slowly and gently to avoid any sudden strain. Hold for 5 seconds, then slowly return to the starting position. As you hold the position, breathe deeply and feel the tension melting away. This pause allows your muscles to stretch and relax. Repeat 10 times to release neck tension and improve head posture. Consistency is key. By repeating this exercise regularly, you can significantly reduce the discomfort caused by neck and improve your overall posture. Do this regularly, especially after screen time, to keep your neck happy. Incorporate these neck tilts into your daily routine, particularly after long periods of screen use. Your neck will thank you for the relief and improved flexibility. Additionally, consider making ergonomic adjustments to your workspace. Ensure that your computer screen is at eye level and use a chair that supports good posture. These small changes can make a big difference in preventing neck. Remember to take regular breaks from your screen. Stand up, walk around, and stretch your neck and shoulders. These breaks not only help in reducing neck tension but also improve your overall well-being. Incorporate mindfulness and relaxation techniques into your routine. Deep breathing exercises and meditation can help in reducing stress and tension in your neck and shoulders. By following these tips and exercises, you can effectively manage and prevent neck. Keep your neck happy and healthy, and enjoy a more comfortable and pain-free digital experience. Section 7. Chest stretches. Open up and breathe easy. In this section, we will guide you through a series of chest stretches designed to enhance your flexibility, improve your posture, and help you breathe more easily. These exercises are simple yet effective and can be done anywhere, anytime. Open up your chest and improve your breathing with this simple stretch. By regularly incorporating this stretch into your routine, you can alleviate tension in your chest muscles, which often become tight from prolonged sitting or poor posture. This stretch not only helps in opening up your chest but also promotes better lung capacity and oxygen flow. Stand tall, interlock your fingers behind your back, and straighten your arms. Ensure that your feet are shoulder-width apart to maintain balance. This position helps in engaging your core muscles, providing a stable base for the stretch. As you interlock your fingers, try to keep your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears to avoid unnecessary tension. Push your chest forward and lift your arms slightly until you feel a stretch in your chest and shoulders. This movement should be gentle and controlled. Avoid forcing the stretch to prevent any strain or injury. The goal is to feel a mild to moderate stretch, which indicates that your muscles are being effectively engaged. Hold for 15 seconds, breathing deeply. As you hold the stretch, focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your chest to expand fully. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension in your body. This deep breathing technique not only enhances the stretch, but also promotes relaxation and stress relief. Relax and repeat. Performing this stretch multiple times can help in gradually increasing your flexibility and range of motion. This stretch counteracts the rounded shoulders that often come with poor posture. By regularly practicing this stretch, you can improve your overall posture, making you look and feel more confident. Good posture also reduces the risk of developing chronic pain in the neck, shoulders, and back. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate this stretch into your daily routine to reap the maximum benefits. Whether you are at home, at the office, or even outdoors, take a few moments to open up and breathe easy. Section 8. Back strength for a supported spine, simple rows. In this section, we will focus on exercises that target the muscles of the back, which are crucial for maintaining a strong and healthy spine. A well-supported spine is essential for overall body stability and function. Strong back muscles are essential for good posture. They help in keeping the spine aligned and reduce the risk of back pain and injuries. When your back muscles are strong, they support your spine effectively, allowing you to move with ease and confidence. This is particularly important for those who spend long hours sitting or standing, as it helps in preventing slouching and other posture-related issues. Try these simple rows. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, holding light dumbbells or water bottles. This exercise can be done anywhere, whether at home or in the gym, making it a versatile addition to your fitness routine. Using water bottles is a great alternative if you don't have access to dumbbells, ensuring that you can still perform the exercise effectively. Bend slightly at the hips, keeping your back straight. It's important to maintain a neutral spine position to avoid any strain on your lower back. Engage your core muscles to support your back as you bend. This position not only targets the back muscles but also engages the core, providing a comprehensive workout. Pull the weights towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. This movement activates the muscles between your shoulder blades, known as the rhomboids, as well as the latissimus dorsi muscles. Squeezing your shoulder blades together ensures that you are engaging the correct muscles and getting the most out of the exercise. Lower the weight slowly and repeat for 10 to 12 repetitions. Controlled movements are key to maximizing the benefits of this exercise. By lowering the weight slowly, you maintain tension in the muscles, which helps in building strength and endurance. Aim to perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions, taking short breaks in between sets to rest and recover. Stronger back muscles help you maintain good posture throughout the day. Good posture not only improves your appearance but also enhances your overall health. It reduces the risk of developing musculoskeletal problems and improves breathing and digestion. Incorporating simple rows into your regular exercise routine can make a significant difference in your posture and overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Make these exercises a part of your daily routine to reap the long-term benefits of a strong and healthy back. Section 9. Consistency is key, making posture exercise a habit. Just like any workout routine, consistency is key for improving your posture. Set aside a few minutes each day to do these exercises. You can even incorporate them into your daily routine. Do them while watching TV, waiting for your coffee to brew, or even during commercial breaks. Every little bit counts. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Make it a habit. Section 10. Little changes, big results. Your posture transformation awaits. By incorporating these simple exercises into your routine, you'll be amazed at the difference they can make. You'll stand taller, feel more confident, and reduce your risk of pain and discomfort. Remember, good posture is a journey, not a destination. Keep at it and you'll reap the rewards. Section 11. Join the movement. Stay connected for more wellness tips. So, there you have it. easy exercises for better posture. Start incorporating them today, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fitness and wellness tips. Let's get healthier together. Now get out there and stand tall. You got this. One last tip to improve your posture. Adjust your rear view mirror slightly higher than your comfortable eye level. This will encourage you to tilt your head back, open up your shoulders, and maintain a better posture while driving. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and remember, every little step counts towards a healthier you. Keep practicing these tips daily.